Hey guys, Dan the Man here. We have an unboxing for you guys. We have the HP OMEN 15. It's a Ryzen powered laptop. It's pretty good. It's a budget oriented kind of a laptop. We're gonna unbox it. We have this beautiful box right here and it's sealed, as you guys can see here. Got some information around it. We're not gonna really go into the details for what's on the box or around it because what's inside matters. Okay, first seal done, second seal off. I think this is not doing its job. Can you give me the knife from there, the pink one? Thank you, this is better. The Caesar doesn't really cut, so we have a cute pink knife, it's very sharp. There we go. Let's turn it the other way around. Let's have it opened. You're welcomed with all this useless stuff, which is user manual and stuff, and welcome, and yeah, doesn't have Windows on it. Who uses Windows 8 or 7? Okay, but anyways, it's a FreeDOS unit, so we have the power cable, European plug type. Here we have the 200-watt charger, nicely wrapped. It's not as big. I mean, in comparison, it would be almost the same size as my phone. It's kind of thick. And that's what he said. Here you can pull out the laptop. That's what he said again. So here we go. Nicely packed by HP. They're gonna have a first look at it. Looks beautiful. It's not been touched. Doesn't really attract fingerprints. It's got nice aluminum back cover. And this thing that's covering the keyboard technically. This unit does not have Windows on it. It comes with two 4 gigs in dual channel mode. Of course, you can upgrade that up to 16, 32 or 64. It's got a beautiful 144 Hertz IPS panel. And usually they do not have backlight bleeding issues. Beautiful keyboard and nice trackpad. It's glass. Not sure if it has Windows precision drivers or not. You got your power cable, Ethernet, USB 3.2, I assume, and you can charge your laptop with that. HDMI, mic in and out or headphone, and you got your full-size SD card, which is great for content creators or photographers. You got your Thunderbolt. It's not Thunderbolt actually. Thunderbolt is an Intel technology. AMDs don't have them. So this is USB Type-C. You can charge your PC with this. I mean, you would not be able to game with the power you get from Type-C, but you would be able to do all the normal stuff you do normally. Mini display port, two 3.1 USBs, exhaust. In the back you got two beautiful fans with the OMEN logo, a lot of ventilation going on here. 4 screws here, 4 flip screws up there, so you got 8 of them if you want to upgrade this thing. Very easy to upgrade. And that beautiful OMEN logo, which I love it. Some people hate it, but that's your personal thing. So that's pretty much it. See you guys later.